Just what I'm talking about right there. It's not supposed to be going backwards. I'll be looking at that tonight. It's supposed to be going to the right of the screen smoothly. It's not supposed to stop or hover, and it's not supposed to do that for sure, going backwards. Okay, that's not what the moon is supposed to be doing. Okay, so this is very irregular for the moon to be traveling that way in its orbital path and rotation around the Earth. And there's nothing normal about that. The only thing that means is that this is really not a moon that we know, and it's also not a celestial object, because obviously it's under intelligent control, so it's not a rock in space traveling around the Earth. More like a spaceship in space traveling around the Earth. Okay, so to continue, this kind of a motion in an orbital pattern shows only one thing, and that's intelligent control. No celestial object can go backwards, and no celestial object can hover in its orbit around a planet or a star. These are well-known scientific facts. And obviously this moon hologram, because that's what it is not adhering to any scientific facts or laws that we know about celestial objects or space in general. Okay. Yeah, those are big movements that thing is making, because that's a large body in space, whether it's a spaceship or a hologram or anything else. It has mass, and it makes large movements when it goes left and right and back and forth like that. That could be thousands of kilometers displacement. And just keep in mind, no celestial body can go backwards, not even a little bit. It shouldn't be tugging along like that, it should be going smooth. Notice how irregular its movement is? It's unbelievable. I mean, that's not the moon. And it goes real fast, then it slows down, stays in place, goes backwards, jerks around. Look at this. It's like I know it's going to happen ahead of time. Okay, you see it rocking back and forth? That's not the camera rocking back and forth. It's not the camera turning the other way, so I make it go back. And that's not what's happening. I'm not touching the camera. I'll let you know when I'm touching the camera. So it's going back on its own. Nobody's making it. Okay, now I'm going to touch the camera over to the center. And just move it over to the center. Shouldn't be going that way. Should be going the other way. See, I haven't touched the camera except when I said I touched it. The camera is on a solid stand and it's bolted down by more than one bolt. It's got about 3 or 4. That kind of erratic movement, that thing should have been off the screen a long time ago. This is unbelievable. That in itself should tell you that this it's not supposed to do that. Should have been off the screen already. Obviously it's not doing anything properly. It's not following its orbital path properly. It's going backwards. It's hovering. It's doing all kinds of crazy things it's not supposed to be doing.